Hello and welcome to my channel. Continuing from the previous introduction of Leonardo AI video, today I would like to introduce to you Leonardo's AI Canvas feature. If you like the video, welcome to subscribe to my channel. First, go to the home page of Leonardo AI. On the left-hand side menu of the page, locate the option for AI Canvas and click on it. Once you arrive at this page, we need to upload an image as the foundation for our creation. Leonardo AI offers three methods for selecting a base image: from computer, from previous generation, and from community. Here, I choose from previous generation. Here, I select a cute chihuahua image that was generated previously by AI as the base image. As the image is quite large, let's resize it first to facilitate our creation. First, I would like to give my chihuahua image a background so that when we use AI to extend the image later, it won't look too monotonous. Next, start moving your creative box and overlap a portion of the box onto the original image. I use the Draw Mask function in the left toolbar to outline the area within the box where I intend to generate the background. Next, you need to enter a description of what you want to generate in the prompt field. After clicking the Generate button, you can choose your favorite result from the candidate backgrounds. I will also generate the floor portion using the same method. At this point, we have completed the preliminary stage of the background and floor. After the initial editing of the image is completed, you can use the Erase function in the left toolbar to remove any unnecessary masks. Next, I will use the same technique to extend the right half of my image. I would like to add a potted plant with flowers to the right half of the chihuahua image. Let's take a look at the generated results. From the 4 candidate images, I chose one, and the result looks decent. I want my image to look more enriched, so I will continue to extend the upper half of my image using the same technique. I would like to hang some paintings on the wall, so I can try entering the following description in the prompt field. The generated image results from AI look quite good. Next, I will use the same method to extend the left side of the image to make the overall picture look more complete. If you simply want to extend the image without any specific requirements, you can directly try entering similar structure in the prompt field. Lastly, apply the same technique to the top left corner of the image again. Let's compare the original image with the result generated using AI Canvas. It looks pretty good, don't you think? Finally, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to subscribe to my channel.